Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice, a guided meditation combining deep rest with conscious awareness. Yoga Nidra invites the body to relax completely while the mind stays awake and gently focused, as if inside a sweet dream. Practicing this regularly can reduce stress, support healing, balance the nervous system, and restore natural energy. All you need to do for the next 20 minutes is rest, listen, and allow yourself to receive. Before we begin, please find a comfortable position where you can remain still, lying on your back, legs slightly apart, arms relaxed beside you with the palms facing upward. If you need to prop a pillow under your knees or grab a blanket, please do so now. When you're ready, close your eyes and give yourself full permission to let go. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and exhale softly through the mouth. Again, inhale, filling the chest, the belly, and exhale, releasing all tension. One more breath, in and out. Let your whole body sink into the surface beneath you. Feel supported, safe, and still. As you rest here, repeat silently, I'm ready to relax. I'm ready to receive rest. Now bring gentle awareness to different parts of the body. As I name each part, simply bring your attention to it and let it soften. Starting with the right hand, the thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the right hand, back of the hand, right wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, the left hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, the palm, the back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, the right armpit, waist, right hip, thigh, knee, the shin, ankle, heel, sole of the right foot, the toes, the left armpit, left waist, left hip, thigh, the knee, shin, ankle, heel, the sole of the foot, the toes, Now bring awareness to the back of the body, the heels, calves, thighs, hips, glutes, the lower back, upper back, shoulders, arms, both hands, all 10 fingers, the neck, back of the head. Feel the whole back body resting, heavy and relaxed. Bring awareness to the front body, your forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, your whole face, throat, chest, belly, your pelvis, your thighs, knees, shins, and feet. Feel the whole front body soften and open. Now sense the body as one from head to toes, resting in gentle stillness. Your whole body is light as a feather. As you lie here in stillness, fully relaxed, shift your awareness to the natural flow of breath. Notice the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. No need to change anything, simply observe. Now begin a slow rhythmic breath. Inhale for a gentle count of 4 and exhale for a slow count of 6. If it feels natural, add a soft pause between breaths. Continue for several cycles, feeling the rhythm calm your whole system, your body becoming even lighter with each breath. Imagining the breath as waves of the ocean, rising with each inhale, falling with each exhale, each wave washing away fatigue and worry, leaving peace behind. Now bring to mind a place where you feel completely safe at ease. Perhaps a quiet beach, a sunlit meadow, or a cozy room filled with soft light. See it clearly in your mind's eye. The colors, the textures, the temperature of the air. Hear the sounds, smell the scents, feel the peace of being there. As you rest in this sanctuary, imagine a warm golden light above your head. With every breath, this light flows slowly through your body, soothing the mind, releasing tension, restoring every cell. It travels from the crown of your head, down through your face and throat, into your heart and belly, down through the legs, all the way to the soles of your feet. This light recharges your energy, calm, steady, and radiant. With each exhale, anything heavy or negative that you're carrying releases and dissolves into the earth. And with each inhale, New vitality fills you. Now bring to mind your sankalpa, your heartfelt intention for healing and renewal. It may be a simple phrase such as, I am whole, healthy, and filled with light, or simply, I am alive. Silently repeat your sankalpa 3 times with deep faith and conviction. Let the words settle into the stillness of your heart like seeds planting themselves in a fertile garden. Feel their healing energy flow through every part of you. Now begin to bring awareness back to the breath, noticing its gentle rise and fall. Feel the body resting on the surface beneath you. Sense the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes softly. When you're ready, take a deep, refreshing breath in. And exhale completely, returning to the world with a sense of peace and renewal. Carry this calm energy into the rest of your day, remembering that rest is not a luxury. It's how we refill our batteries so we can keep going. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. And until I see you next time, my friend, namaste.